Hi, good morning guys. Okay, Saturday's here. 2 more days, 2 more days. Today, tomorrow. Okay, final day of sales. Tuesday we'll be back for just selling off whatever that's left, okay? Be it freezer items or whatever. That's about it. I'm not gonna take much fresh fishes on Tuesday. Maybe a bit lah, just a bit, okay, but not much. I'm not gonna go over crazy with it, okay? So last 2 days for you to get your fishes for Chinese New Year, okay? So nice selection for you guys, okay? Good stuff, good stuff. Okay, so remember, we are having a lucky draw on Tuesday, okay? So once we sold gong, okay, after we finish selling up, okay, I'll give you guys a timing, okay? We're gonna do a live draw on Telegram, okay? So basically on Telegram, we're gonna do a, not Telegram, sorry, Facebook, okay? Our Facebook page down there, 2 girls, 2 guys, private limited, make sure you go and like the page first, okay? We'll do a live draw, okay? So those of you that have purchased $100 for the last few days, okay? We will be giving you 1 chance in the lucky draw, okay? Sunday itself, tomorrow, okay? After the end of the day, I will post the total tallies from the first day of lucky draw. When you get your lucky draw tickets, first day all the way until yesterday ones, okay? You all go and double check, okay? I'll post those information on Telegram, okay? So make sure you guys join the Telegram group. The link is in the description below, okay? So $100, you get 1 lucky draw chance, okay? At the same time, today, okay, we're gonna give out the remaining scallop medallions, okay? Last, I think 8 boxes of something left, okay? So every $100, 1 scallop medallion. Alternatively, you can choose a can of braised abalone as well, worth $12, okay? So either this one or this one, okay? This one needs to be frozen, so make sure your freezer has space, okay? This one you can just store outside, okay? No problem, don't have to be frozen at all, okay? So yeah, make sure you buy your $100, okay? The more you buy, of course, the more chances, okay? Remember the lucky draw price on Tuesday. First prize is $388 cash. Second prize $188 cash. Third prize $88 cash, and the 10 consolation prize of $18. And remember, it can snowball one, okay? Just 1 chance when I draw your name, I'll put back your name in the box. You can potentially win up to a total of $844 in cash, just with 1 chance. Of course, the more chances you have, the higher your possibility of winning. So go and buy away. This is a way of always, every year I'll give back to my customers and say, hey, okay, here's something for you guys, okay? Consider it as a nice ang tao, okay? So let's start with our Saturday's video. Okay, so down here we've got trout head and tail, okay? $9. If you buy separately, the head or the tail is $5. Today we never bring in the Norwegian salmons, okay? Today all Baka Frost salmons, okay? I have 2 sets, I just display down here 1 set only. So we have Baka Frost head and tail, $9, okay? Then you buy the head or tail separately, $5. The belly, okay, we have a trout belly here, and we have 2 Baka Frost belly, okay? $8 each, okay? So each plate $8. Bones, I have a trout bone and Baka Frost bone, okay? So the bone also I have 2 sets as well, $5 plate. That's the bones of basically the whole entire fish. Okay, down here we have Angoli. Big one, the head, half the head of the Angoli is about 900 grams already, okay? So if you guys want to do curry, half the head is available for you guys, $10, really big, okay? It's a really big head, look at it, okay? These are the northern region Peipen Angoli, okay? Anybody wants the bones for soup, it's only $3, okay? Okay, if you guys are looking for the whole Angolis, they are down here, okay? Whole Angoli, okay? So we have down here, okay? Your Angoli, so 2.3 kg one, okay? Normally 57, now $50, okay? 2.2 kg, normally 55, now is 48. 2.1 kg, 52, now 46, and the smallest is a 1.8 kg one, 45, now 39, okay? If you guys want to buy the whole fish, we have fillets for you down here, okay? So the fillets are good for your steamboat. I know your Chinese New Year like steamboat, so go for the fillets or go for the tail, okay? Normally $32, now $30 offer, okay? Tail inclusive. The tail is a bigger piece, okay? Compared to the normal ones that we sell. Okay, down there we've got tuapan, another good fish for steamboat. Okay, so tuapan is going at $30 a piece, either the tails or the mid section, okay? So tuapan is another mackerel species, okay? No fishy taste one. It's a very nice fish for fish soup, okay? Really yummy, okay? Down here we've got the Baka Frost salmon, okay? You can see the nice cute Baka Frost salmon paizi, or what was it called? I forgot what's this thing called already, okay? Little pokey thing, okay? So anyway, Baka Frost salmon are going at $12. It's slightly more expensive than normal Norwegian salmon, but trust me, these are good, these are good, okay? If you have not tried the Baka Frost salmon, please do, okay? Basically, it's from the Faroe Islands. It's a small island in the northern part of UK, okay? It's in the middle of the ocean, nowhere. The salmon there are free range, okay? They just run around freely, okay? No chemicals, no antibiotics. They have a very clean taste to it, okay? So if you have not tried this, go and try. Reason I didn't bring a Norwegian salmon when I bakar frost salmon. Last time I brought in, nobody want to buy Norwegian one. All of you just rush for the bakar frost so much as well. Just bring in bakar frost salmon and then bring in Norwegian trout. Okay, so trout is $12 each. Okay, these are Norwegian trout, and we have the Turkish rainbow trout. Okay, so this one is $12 as well. Okay, so sample set today, one bakar frost, okay, one trout and one rainbow trout, normally 36, $32, okay, $4 off for your sample set, limited to one set per customer, okay. So you can really see the difference between the bakar frost. So I don't need a label for you, okay, the skin difference you can see with the compared with the trout. Okay, if you cannot see, the trout is a little bit orangey. Okay, never mind, I tell you what, I will go and label for you guys which one is the bakar frost salmon, okay. So the other one will be the trout. Okay, what else we have? Okay, we have douchang as well. Okay, 450 to 500 grams douchang. If you guys want, $36 now, $26 only. That's $10 off per douchang. Okay, douchang is another popular fish that people use for Chinese New Year. Okay, nice for steaming with your families and things like that. You want the bigger ones? I have it up there. I'll go through the pricing in a short while. Okay, but these are the 450 to 500 gram ones down here. Okay, so today we have long hupan or tiger groupers. Okay, if you guys want 1 kg one, $38. Okay, we have two of them. 900 grams one, $34, and then the 800 grams one, $30. Okay, all can fillet, all can do fish soup slices for your steamboat. Okay, I make sure I got the 800 and above one for you guys. Okay, down here we've got little angsai. Okay, baby emperor red snappers. Okay, so $10 normally, now only $7 each. We also have farm angkui, $16 each, now $12 only. Okay, if you guys are looking for xiao hong ban, okay, $19 for this one down here. Down there, I'll get to the pricing, those in the plate, okay? This one is the bigger one compared to the rest of them, okay? $19, works out to 40 plus a kg, Remember the big hong ban, okay? 500 grams and above one, they're all going at 80 over, almost 90 already, okay? Per kg. So, go and get the xiao hong ban. Still very nice to eat, still very beautiful, still very fresh, okay? Just that the small ones, the price a lot cheaper, okay? 40 plus per kg only, okay? Down there, Surabaya, 四水 douchang. If anybody wants, okay, this is a 950 grams one, okay, $95, 900 grams one, $90, and 850 grams one at $85, okay. This is the ultimate, okay, Song Li kind of present to give your, maybe want to give your parents-in-law or something like that a nice present. This is it, okay. Big douchang, people always use as gifts. Alternatively, for your reunion dinner, go and steam a big douchang, okay. Get with your family, go and enjoy a nice big douchang. And the best some more, Surabaya ones, okay. Chilean sea bass, we have fresh batch for you guys, 68 a kg. Sabah, last four already, last four Sabah, I won't be topping up already the Sabah because they come in a 10 kilo box, but last four, okay, normally 1 for 4, 3 for 10, right, okay, today, first person to let me know who wants the Sabah, okay, remember I only want one set available, okay, 4 of it for $10, okay, take the last 4 for $10, okay, good deal, good deal, okay, down here I got another fish for your steamboat, which is a parrotfish, okay? Parrotfish 1.55 kg, $34, okay? Very clean tasting fish, no fishy taste. Nice white meat, tender and sweet, okay? If you have not tried a parrotfish, go and try it. It's cheap as well. $34 for the entire fish, okay? Another two for steamboat, you can do, okay? 1 kg angsai emperor red snapper or the 850 emperor red snapper, okay? $29, okay? So these two I can fillet, you can use for steamboat as well. Those three also can steamboat, okay? Douchang, yes, people use for steamboat, okay? It's a very nice fish for steamboat as well. Okay, so down here, what we have, the lemon sole, okay? So I think a lot of you now who love lemon soles, you'll be glad to know that we also brought in the ones that can fillet. Okay, so 800 gram fish and above you can fillet. Today we got all of them for you, and these are nice Malaysian ones as well, okay? So you can fillet, do fish and chips, or can just pan fry. Lemon sole, very tasty fish for pan frying. If you have not tried, go and try. White, black, white, black, white, it's a sole fish. So basically this is the bottom of the fish, this is the top of the fish, okay? So 1 kg, $15, 1.05 kg is 16, 1.25 kg 19, 1.55 kg 23, and 1.65 kg one at $25, okay? We have sea basses as well for you, $7, normal sea basses. Then we have golden pomfret, $7 as well. And then we have the Malaysian flower grouper, okay? Malaysian flower grouper, very, very yummy, okay? Normally $10, offer for you guys $8 each only, okay? Really, really good fish, the meat is comparable to red groupers, okay? So you have not tried before, go and try, The Malaysian ones are exceptionally yummy, okay? If you have not tried, go and try. Nice, smooth meat, and inexpensive as well, okay? So this is one of the other fishes. If you're on a budget, you can get a couple or something like that to go and steam, okay? Down here we've got hong ban, okay? Small hong ban, so that one is the bigger of the small hong ban. Down here, those 2 in a plate are about 500 grams a plate. 3 in the plate one are smaller, so it's about 600 grams in a plate. One plate, $22 only, okay? $22 works out to what? About $40 over a kg, okay? So go and take and steam. If you guys are having guests over, okay, you want to do multiple meals with some red groupers, go and get a couple and go and steam, okay? It still looks very presentable to your guys, okay? So go and get $40 over, very affordable for 7 pan, okay? Down there on top, we still have a few left, the giant big sea cucumbers, okay? So these are Taiwanese sea cucumbers, okay? Very, very big, very beautiful. It's really big, okay? They're about, I think 700 to 900 grams, okay? Last few I weighed is about that kind of pricing. It's 88 a kg, okay? 88 a kg. We were selling last week the smaller ones, $70 a kg. Go for the big ones. This one very rare. I think in Singapore, most places you go to, you cannot find this one, okay? So 88 a kg, go and grab. This kind of thing is like 1 year, one time I sell only, okay? So go and grab. Okay, this one, last batch ready. What you see here is all I have ready, okay? What are these? These are the Jonah crab claws, okay? So they will look like that when defrosted, okay? So defrosted already can eat already. Sorry, that's my sample only, it's still frozen. I didn't really got time, wanted to rush out the video for you guys, okay? So just defrost, can eat already. If you want to heat up, don't heat up more than 1 minute, okay? Just put in boiling water for 1 minute also can. So this will be a great dish for steamboat. Alternatively, if you haven't tried Eddie's chili sauce yet, okay, you can go and buy. He will most likely put it on Telegram how many bottles there is. He has the red one and the green one, okay? They're going at $9 a bottle, 2 bottles for $15, okay? Goes well with all kind of seafood, his chili sauce, okay? Meats as well, so not only just seafood. So it's going to be a great one for your steamboat, okay? Go and dip your shabu all inside there, okay? Yummy, yummy. Okay, scallop medallions, like I explained to you already, it's $15 a box, okay? These are compressed scallops, a lot cheaper than the actual big scallops, okay? So these are using real scallop meats, okay? Hokkaido scallop, in fact, and they are compressing it into nice medallion shapes for you guys, okay? Quite a lot in the box one, okay? So this one will be good for just pan frying, or you want to do steamboat with some more budget kind of scallops, can go for the scallop medallions. Alternatively, like I said, it's free for you guys as long as you purchase $100 and above. By default, I'll give up all this until it's finished. Then I'll switch over to the braised abalones. Okay, so the braised abalones, one can about 4 to 5 inside a can. Okay, already braised already. So can open and eat. Okay, you can just heat it up and eat already. So if you're doing peng chai or this kind of thing, you can go and buy a few of these. Go and lay them nicely. Don't waste the sauce. I can go and pour back into your peng chai. Go and make it exceptionally nice. Okay. We also have a new product for you guys to try. These are the croquet claws. Okay. So we have the lobster ones. This is selling fast already, and then the snow crab ones. Okay. $20 a packet. $20 a packet. Inside is some creamy cheese croquet. Okay. So you have not tried, go and deep fry these things. It will come out into a nice, beautiful brown. And then you have the lobster taste or your snow crab taste. Okay, that's what we have for you. So your fa cai yu, Chinese New Year fa cai yu down here. Okay, 1 kg $68. Okay, so these are Kasu beto. Okay, from Kasu region in Indonesia, most famous for beto one. Okay, that's where I take my beto every year. Okay, I only sell this fish 1 year, one time only, and only when got the bao or the milk. Okay, so bao or tan, sorry, okay, milk or eggs, okay, so either one, okay, so 80% hit rate one, 80%, actually it's a lot higher, but I always set aside 80% down there for you guys, okay, so go and buy if you need. 1 year, one time fa cai fish, $68 per kg only, Down here, we have prawns, okay, so this one, small tiger prawns, okay, this one is $26 a kg. We have the live glass prawns, okay, nice big live glass prawns, $48 a kg, okay. Very nice, this one is perfect for your steamboats. Okay, so if you guys are doing steamboats, go for the live glass prawns. If you guys are going for barbecue, go for this one. Really massive tiger prawns. Okay, let you see the difference in size. Okay, Gao Zap Hei, why buy Gao Zap Hei? Now about $100 over a kg already for Gao Zap Hei. Go for this type, only $48 a kg. Okay, these are farm of course, okay, but farm in the sea one. These are the nicer ones to eat. How to tell farm in sea? You see the color. A bit more, how to say, whitish, okay? Those are the sea tiger, farm in the sea one, okay? Those a bit blackish or bluish, those are in the pond one, okay? So that's how to differentiate for you guys, okay? So $48, $26, okay? So choose your prawns, whichever you want, okay? If you want the freshwater prawns, this is the last box already, okay? 1 kg box of da tou xia, okay? This one is $39, okay? Last box left, okay? Anybody wants, take. Sotong, these are nice, beautiful, big Malaysian sotong, okay? So if you need it for your steamboat or any other dishes, go and get, Now expensive, but never mind, okay? Chinese New Year always like that one, okay? $28 a kg for the sotong, but guaranteed the good stuff. Okay, these are the Malaysian ones. Okay, if you're looking for Shen Yu, Shen Yu either in slices or in fillet, $34 a kg. Price up a bit already, okay, but Chinese New Year, okay, 34 a kg. Get your, you must mention whether you want skin or don't want skin, okay. We have the head 350, the bone 150, the one for good for soup one. So if you're looking for some fish stock for your steamboat, you can go and buy those bones and head. Down here we've got the flour lala. Okay, explain to you guys, freezer, okay, once any item sold out, I'm not restocking already, okay. After Chinese New Year, I come back, then I restock, okay. I'll be back on the 19th of Feb in case you guys don't know, okay. So flour lala, last few packs left, $5 a pack. Already descended, just wash and cook. We have flour crab meat, $15, all meat, no shells. Muar ota, okay, one for $5, two for $9. This one is wild caught Alaskan salmon. These are sockeye salmon. This is $16 a fillet. Pollock cubes, $25 a bag, half kg. This one is great for the kids. If you want to buy something for the kids, buy this one, okay? $25, no bones, all nugget sizes for them. You can do fish nuggets for them or just cook in porridge and things like that, okay, for your babies, okay? So $25 for this. Pollock fish balls, I'm only left with the fried ones, $5.50. Down here we have the Xue Yi Wei Pa cod fish tails, okay, one packet is 320 to 330 grams, okay? Normally it's about 23 plus, okay? Now, easy to calculate, okay? $23 a packet, okay? Don't have the point something. Just $23 a packet. Let me get rid of it fast, okay? I don't want to waste time to go and wait. Okay, then down here we have last box, okay, tuna burger. If you have not tried this one, $13 last box. 4 patties inside, okay? Tuna burger, can take for grilling. My last two rainbow trout. Okay, so basically today's sample set only 3 left only. If you want to get a sample set, only 3 sample sets. Down here, Australian scallops, $20. This one will be good for your steamboat. More codfish tails. We have big oysters, last packet $15. Down here, snow crab legs. Okay, this one $7 a packet, and then the unsalted silverfish is $5 a packet. Unagi, this one's the simple meal for you guys. Already pre-marinated, microwave 2 to 3 minutes, $14. And then the Greenland halibut, okay? This one is $14 for a 300 gram steak. Okay, so that's what we have for you in the freezer. So all deliveries today, okay, 1:30 p.m. is the last order, okay? Or when I find everything slow down already, okay, then I'll ask you guys on Telegram, okay, whether got any last orders or things like that. Then maybe we'll keep early and prepare for tomorrow. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Remember, $100, one lucky draw chance up to $844 of cash, and then one free gift for you guys. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the last video of the week. Okay, bye bye.